Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly video. My name is Toriamotsuka and welcome to my channel.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
If you're a new subscriber or if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you're old on this channel, OG, hi. So in today's video, in line with my previous or other video talking about like things you need to do to actually retain that length and grow your hair, I'm also going to show you my products I use. Like, I feel like I should show you the products I use on my hair that has actually helped me to get to this, rather this length. I'm on week. So this is a quick video. So the first thing I use is, for my shampoo, I use Cream of Nature shampoo, the argan oil one. It's sulfate free. It's not a clarifying shampoo, but if you want a clarifying shampoo, I'll suggest Cantu. Like, I used to use Cantu before, but I noticed that it's not good for my hair porosity. Like, I have a high hair porosity and it's not good for that, so I switched to the Cream of Nature argan oil shampoo, and it's good. It doesn't clarify because it's sulfate free. So if you want a sulfate shampoo, I suggest Cantu. Like, they have a lot of range of sulfate shampoo. So the next product I use is the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner Cream. It helps to repair hair breakage, leaves hair soft and manageable. I use this as I don't have a shampoo, like shampoo and conditioner set. Like, I use my shampoo and use this as my conditioner, and it's actually good. So I suggest, it has no sulfate in it too, so I use sulfate free products here. So the next thing I use, Mamiya Organics hair mayonnaise. It contains black castor oil and avocado oil. This is good for this is a good protein treatment, and I actually use this on my hair after I use it as a deep conditioner. Basically, it serves as a deep conditioner and also a protein treatment. I do this after my wash, and then I put in my leave-in conditioner. So the next thing I use on my hair is the black castor oil, the extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. This is like my fave hair oil. Like, this is like everything, contains everything that you need for your hair. Like, so if you want to try this, I use this mostly on my edges because I'm trying to grow my edges. Like, so the next thing I use is the virgin hair fertilizer. I know most of you will know this back in the day, like when we were younger, our parents used to like force us to put this on our hair, but it's actually very, very good. It has shea butter, it has peppermint oil, and like a lot of things that your hair needs. And I noticed that, like, for my scalp, it helps like for itchy scalp, and it keeps your hair strong, healthy. It's very good. It's like the cheapest hair product I have, and it's actually doing the work, so I suggest this. The other thing I use on my hair is my shea butter, just normal shea butter I can get in the market, you can get anywhere. So like, that's what I use. Then the next thing I use, I actually make my own Ayurvedic oil. It contains fenugreek powder, moringa powder, and chipe powder. And you must have heard of some of them, but they are spices that are very good in your hair. They help strengthen your hair, they grow your hair. Like, fenugreek has helped my hair a lot. When I found out about fenugreek, I was like, where was I? So fenugreek is like, I stand by fenugreek. If your hair doesn't grow and also you do the work, fenugreek is like the best thing ever. So if you want a video on how I actually make my fenugreek oil, I'll be happy to do that. So if you want a video, let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to do that. It's also very good. I use this as my hair oil after putting my virgin hair fertilizer. Very, very good. So you use this clay mask with apple cider and even thank me. So these are all the products. Like, there's nothing left. See, basic. I can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products and you can see my hair, not this hair, but you can see my hair flourishing. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want to know how I actually use these products, I'm actually trying to film a wash day process. Bear with me, I'm trying to arrange that. It's not easy trying to film my washing your hair, so bear with me. So like, I can show you other things, but these are the main things I use on my hair, apart from the things I actually make, like the treatments. You have to use treatments on your hair. So these are the basic things. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, share, like, share to your friends that you know that are trying to find products that can work for them. And my hair is a high porosity hair, so if you have similar hair porosity with me, you can try them out. You can get this at, I don't have any specific link because I just went to a hair shop, but I'll maybe tag a hair shop I have here if you're interested. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.